This is a Copeland TXV Connect Kit that includes everything needed to add or replace a thermostatic expansion valve all in one box. The universal kit includes an ODF TXV chatlift and AeroQuip adapters, external equalizer, and a bulb strap that allows simple installation with any manufacturer system. This particular valve is a 3-ton R410A model, but there are several different capacities for both R410A and R22 systems. System pressure must be reduced to 0 psi-G before beginning any work on the system. All refrigerant must be recovered in accordance with the EPA and Section 608 of the Clean Air Act. Follow the system manufacturer's instructions regarding system evacuation and refrigerant recovery. Remove the existing metering device from the system. If a TXV is already installed, it is recommended that the tubing cutter be used to remove the valve. Disconnect the liquid line from the distributor and remove the orifice-type metering device, if so equipped. The valve comes with standard solder fittings or can be used with chatlift and AeroQuip adapters that are included in the kit. Braze the corresponding adapter fitting to the outlet of the valve. In this example, the system is equipped with a chatlift fitting. Make sure to remove the Teflon O-ring before brazing. Braze the existing liquid line to the inlet of the TXV. The TXV must be oriented in a position where the power head is not below the valve body. Remember, while brazing, use a saturated wet rag to keep the valve body cool. The valve body temperature must not exceed 250 Fahrenheit, 121 Celsius, or damage to the internal seal will occur. Direct the flame over the torch away from the valve body during brazing and leave the saturated wet rag in place until the piping cools. Never apply flame directly to the TXV power head or sensing voltage. Next, install the external equalization line. The Copeland TXV is equipped with a 1/4-inch OTF external equalizer, which should be piped to the suction line downstream of the header. If the suction line has a 1/4-inch service fitting, use the included capillary tube to connect the external equalizer to the suction line. Raise the 90-degree fitting to the external equalizer. Pour it on the valve and connect the flare nut to the 1/4 and service fitting on the suction line using the procedure shown earlier. Never install the external equalizer line on the bottom of the suction line. Install the sensing bulb on a horizontal section of the pipe upstream of the external equalizer line between the 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock position using the stainless strap included. Tighten the bulb strap to ensure good thermal contact between the sensing bulb and the suction line. Insulate the sensing bulb to ensure the bulb only senses the suction line and not ambient air temperature. Perform a leak check on the system using dry nitrogen. After ensuring the system is leak-free, recharge the system per the manufacturer's specifications and ensure proper subcooling has been achieved. With the system operating, measure the superheat to determine if any adjustment is necessary. Using both pressure and temperature measurements is the only way to determine the superheat accurately. To determine superheat, measure the suction pressure at the outlet of the evaporator as close to the TXV bulb as possible and convert the pressure to a saturation temperature using a pressure temperature chart or Copeland's PT Pro. Next, measure the suction line temperature as close to the TXV bulb as possible. Subtract the saturation temperature from the measured suction line temperature, and this is the superheat. The superheat required for the application is specified by the manufacturer. If the superheat is not at the specified temperature, the valve must be adjusted. Remove the adjusting stem cap on the bottom of the valve. Turn the superheat adjustment stem clockwise, tightening to increase superheat, and counterclockwise, loosen to decrease superheat. Wait 15 minutes between adjustments for the system to stabilize and measure the superheat to determine the effect of the adjustment. The TXV has roughly 4 degrees of superheat per 1 full turn of the adjustment stem. Detailed superheat adjustment instructions can be found on the bottom of the box of any Copeland TXV. Whenever a system is opened or components are replaced, it's recommended that the liquid line filter dryer be replaced. See Copeland's line of EK and BFK filter dryers for AC and heat pump applications. Thanks for watching the Copeland Universal TXV Connect Kit installation video. Click here to learn more about TXV Connect Kits and other quality Copeland products.